Pilot job description. Pilots fly aircrafts to provide transportation to passengers or cargo. Pilots working for a specific airline are called airline pilots. Pilots that fly charters or private aircrafts are called commercial pilots and are hired by private individuals or companies. Most aircrafts usually require at least 2 pilots at a time during a flight. One of them is the captain, or the pilot in command of the aircraft. The other one is called the co-pilot or first officer. They take turns flying the aircraft to avoid fatigue and safety hazards. While one of the pilots is operating the controls, the other is in constant communication with ground air traffic control and carries out the necessary paperwork and calculations. Primary responsibilities. Working as part of a team with crew members. Give instructions to the crew on board. Coordinate takeoff and landing procedures with the crew. Keep crew members well informed during the flight. Running a checkup of all systems with flight engineers prior to flights. Ensure that all systems are working correctly. Check passenger and cargo distribution to ensure proper balance of weight. Calculate fuel consumption based on weight of the aircraft and the distance of the flight. Report any malfunction to engineers. Contacting air control towers. Request takeoff and landing clearances. Report location and status of the aircraft. Communicate with other vessels to coordinate movements. Keeping the aircraft's log updated with all eventualities. Piloting aircrafts. Start engines and follow takeoff procedures. Use instruments to fly with low visibility. Operate controls and fly during turbulence. Steer the aircraft on pre-established routes. Follow flight patterns and routes. Monitor engine operation, fuel consumption, and other systems during flight. Maneuver the aircraft into the best altitude and speed. Make in-flight announcements. communicate constantly with air traffic control, and redesign route and flight pattern when needed. Responding to and reporting in-flight emergencies. Report equipment malfunction. Notify air traffic control of emergencies, problems, hazards, hijacking, possible explosive devices, or medical emergencies, and follow the established procedures for these situations.